My name is Rebecca Ingram, and I'm a research associate with the Institute of Nautical Archaeology. I'm honored to be the recipient of the 2019 Honor Frost Foundation IJNA Open Access Prize for my recent article on Yenikapı shipwreck YK11. YK11 is one of 37 well-preserved Byzantine shipwrecks found at Yenikapı in Istanbul, Turkey, where archaeologists from the Istanbul Archaeological Museums unearthed the remains of Constantinople's Theodosian harbor. A team from the Institute of Nautical Archaeology studied 8 of the site's shipwrecks. This small international team was led by Professor Cemal Pulak of the Institute of Nautical Archaeology at Texas A&M University. The 8 Byzantine wrecks studied by our team included both merchantmen and galleys, ranging in date from the early 7th to the late 10th century. One of these was YK11, a small 7th century merchantman abandoned as a derelict near the western end of the Theodosian harbor. YK11 was built during the transition from shell-based to skeleton-based shipbuilding. Like many of the ships at Yenikapı, YK11 exhibits a mixed construction. The ship's pine planking was edge-joined with unpegged mortise and tenon joints below the waterline. However, the hull had undergone a series of significant repairs over its lifetime, including the replacement of a large portion of the ship's planking as well as framing. These repairs complicated the study of the ship's construction and could easily have led to a mistaken interpretation of YK11 as a skeleton-based vessel. Nevertheless, a detailed piece-by-piece analysis of the ship yielded subtle clues to its design, revealing YK11 to be primarily a shell-based hull. This study of YK11 reinforces the importance of recognizing repairs in hull studies and highlights potential challenges in understanding transitional shipbuilding. Thank you to Professor Pulak, the Institute of Nautical Archaeology, my colleagues at Yenikapı, and the many scholars who continue to work on material from this important site. And thank you also to the Nautical Archaeology Society and the Honor Frost Foundation for selecting my article for this award.